One of the methods to solving systems of equations is through substitution. Now, if we were to take the equations x plus 3y equals 7 and x minus y equals -1, we can use the substitution method to solve for the two variables x and y. Now, substitution works by taking one of the variables, solving for it, so making a relationship between the two variables, and substituting that relationship into the other equation. Now we can combine like terms, so that -3y minus y becomes -4y. So we have 7 minus 4y. So we subtract 7 from both sides of the equation, giving us -4y equals -8. And then we divide both sides by -4, giving us y equals 2. Now that we have y, we can go ahead and plug it into the equation that we made earlier, into that relationship which we got from the first equation, the 7 minus 3y. And so that gives us 7 minus 3 times 2. -3 times 2 is -6. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So in this case, x equals 1 and y equals 2. Now we'll take our original equations and go ahead and plug in our values for x and y that we just solved for. So we go ahead and plug that in. So in the first equation, we now have 1 plus 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 plus 6 is 7, so that equation works. And in the other equation, we have 1 minus 2, which equals -1, and so that other equation also works. The solution to this system of equations is that x equals 1 and y equals 2.